Hey there, Brainscape family. It's Emily, and today we're going to delve into the world of millionaires and their surprising habits. We all know the typical advice like save your money and invest wisely, but what about those bizarre habits that help them stay ahead of the game? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to share the top 5 millionaire habits that you won't believe. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us. Let's dive in. Number 1. Sleeping in short bursts. You might think millionaires are burning the midnight oil, but some actually follow a sleep pattern called polyphasic sleep. This means they take several short naps throughout the day instead of one long sleep at night. This odd habit can help them maximize productivity and stay focused. So, maybe it's time to say goodbye to your 8-hour beauty sleep. Number 2. Extreme frugality. Sure, millionaires have the means to buy whatever they want, but many of them are surprisingly frugal. Some even go to the extent of clipping coupons, driving older cars, and flying economy class. This habit helps them save money and invest in more important things. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Number 3. Cold showers. Some millionaires swear by cold showers as their secret weapon to kickstart their day. Cold showers are said to increase alertness, boost mood, and even improve circulation. If you're brave enough to try this chilly habit, you might just find yourself more awake and energized than ever before. Number 4. Peculiar workspaces. Forget about traditional office spaces, some millionaires have truly unique work environments. From treadmill desks to working upside down, these unconventional workspaces can help boost creativity and enhance problem-solving skills. So, the next time you're feeling stuck, try changing up your workspace. It might just unleash your inner millionaire. Number 5. Mindful eating. You might be surprised to learn that many millionaires practice mindful eating. They believe that focusing on their meals, savoring each bite, and eating slowly can lead to better digestion, weight management, and overall health. So, put down your phone and give your meal the attention it deserves. Your body and your wallet will thank you. And there you have it, the top 5 surprising millionaire habits that might just change your life. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Brainscape for more entertaining and informative content. And hey, why not drop a comment below and tell us which of these habits caught your attention? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. This is Emily, signing off.